this is technically just the funnest part, probably. Not actually, but like a nice fun part of doing the cleaning. I have been here for a while trying to scrub off some stains. They're coming off though. Okay. So this is the part that's also really satisfying. It's the part where you dry off everything. Now, it might be hard to see, but if you look at this table, it's like very soapy and there's a lot of soap, and I wouldn't want it to like leave like this because it's gonna be wet. So I take this and it looks really satisfying when I dry it off. I'm gonna go back to time lapse, but I just wanted to say it's probably a satisfying part for it. So I just finished wiping it with a napkin, then I went over with the towel because there are some like little like specks of napkin, like the little paper parts, if you know what I mean. So next thing we're gonna try going back to decorating and like, you know, giving it its true look. But then I realized I have these like paper things on the side. I don't know what to do with them. I think I'm gonna take them off and put them somewhere different. So that's what we're doing next. Different step. Okay. Okay, so we ended up taking them off for good. I do have to throw them away now, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna be right back. But I threw away everything, and there's just a blank table. So yeah, it's just like a little blank table waiting to be decorated. So what we're gonna be doing is we're just gonna kind of decorate it. Explore with decorating. Yeah. Okay, so this is the finishing results of our beautiful place. We have a journal full of stuff that we will need. So I think this is a journal here. Here's my scents in case my dog farts by me. He does like hang out with me while I'm doing work. Some gum. We have like these little sticky notes that I'm gonna use sometimes. We have some tape. We have lipstick and chapstick. We have some cute decoration plants. We have a pencil holder thingamabob that has an eraser, a hair tie, some scissors, a pencil, a pen, and some paintbrushes. And yes, there are way too many paintbrushes. Okay, so that's technically what's in the pencil box. Then we have a almost whole series of Bad Kitty. I realized that these two are kind of different. like both of them are different. I'm pretty sure I got this one from a different place. Yeah, that's technically the finishing product. There isn't much else to say. Stay safe, stay at home, and bye.